Paper output belt disassembly and assembly. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws on the static brush assembly and remove the static brush assembly. Then unscrew the 4 screws on the paper output transmission shaft assembly and remove the paper output transmission shaft assembly. Remove the paper output transmission belt from the paper output drive wheel, ensuring it is in a loose state. Lift the rubber roller upwards and remove it from the paper output platform. Similarly, remove the other rubber roller in the same way. Remove the paper output drive belt by pulling aside the paper output drive belt and removing the 3 sealing patches. Replace it with a new paper output transmission belt and stick the sealing patches back. When installing the paper output transmission shaft, first loop a transmission belt onto the gear of the transmission shaft. Then loop the 3 paper output transmission belts onto the rubber wheels of the transmission shaft and press the paper output transmission shaft into the paper output platform. Similarly, loop the auxiliary shaft of the paper output transmission shaft into the paper output transmission belt and press it into the paper output platform from the other side. Rotate the transmission shaft to ensure the belt fits the paper output transmission shaft properly. Finally, install and reset all the above components.